Okay, so we are going to do an update this evening. This is now my second day of install, and we spent another 10 hours today. And this is how far we got. I just don't even know what to say at this point. I think it's smaller than what I was asking for. I wanted 1/4 in the front, and then I think it's 5/16 the next size in the back. But she wasn't using a measurer. She was just going by sight. And I suppose they're about 1/4. I just don't know. But then look at all of these. That's loose on the ends. So of course some of this was done last night before I told her that I only wanted no more than an inch left out. So I do think she did better with those that she did today. I don't see as much out, but I'm gonna have to still do something with this. So I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. So install day 2, we'll see. She is a trainee working up under one of the other Sisterlock ambassadors. So I asked her to try and get her mentor to help out this week, help her kind of figure out what we're gonna do with this. All right, stay tuned.